So what is your name?
Libby.
Very good. And what are you going to be playing for us today?
Sailing in the sun.
Sailing in the sun. Okay. Sailing in the sun. How about if I give you a count off? Does that sound good? Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, so you get scooped down. I'm going to share the bench with you. We are going to do a classic. Anytime you hear someone play the piano, you've probably heard this because we're learning chords. And this is a great chord song. So we'll see if you can name this one. Alright, take her away. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Heart and soul, yes. Very good. All right, let's give her another round of applause.